First, I'm unstitching the pants inside fabric to open up the space to let out the waist. Now I'm going to open up all the fabric, almost 1 inch fabric available inside. From the end, I double stitched. Now I'm unstitching previous stitches to open up the waist. I don't like this part. Do you like it? Tell me in the comments. Now after unstitching, thing needs to place in the middle. Now attaching the straps in the middle. Straps also attach with double stitching to make stronger stitching. This part was hard because its thick thread was keep broken. Final results.